Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix stuck on zoom mode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just double tap on the screen using 3 fingers. Now if your iPhone is stuck on zoom mode and if the double tap method is not working, then just restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after your iPhone finishes restarting, you will fix the stuck on zoom mode problem on your iPhone. Now, to disable this feature completely, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Zoom and disable Zoom from here. And by doing that, you will disable the zoom mode feature on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix stuck on zoom mode problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.